kiddos, it's Mrs. Johnson. April Daily Math number 9. All right, adding 1,000. If we add 1,000, we are only adding in the thousand spot. So we've worked mostly with ones, tens, hundreds, and the next one is thousands. So the only number we're messing with is the thousands. 2,465, add 1,000 plus 1,000 will be 3,465. 3,941 plus 1,000 will be, we add 1 to the 3, that will be 4,941. 8,074 plus 1,000, we add 1 to the 8, 9,074. All right, we're doubling our number and then we're adding 100. So we have 30, we're going to double it, and then we're going to add 100. So 30 plus 30 is 60, and 60 plus 100 is 160. All right, 45, we have to double it. So 45 and 45 is what? 90, and then we add 100, and it's 190. Great, I hope you guys figured that one out. All right, money, odd or even. We have $5, $10, $15, $16. I'm going to write a 16 right there so I remember I'm at $16 once I'm done with the dollars. Now I need to start counting the cents. 25, 50, 75, $1. Oh, I have one more dollar. And then I have 10, 20, 30 cents. So I have 16 and 1. How much does that make? $17, and I had 10, 20, 30 cents. Now, it wants us to tell it if it's odd or even. Remember, when we're looking at odd and even, the only number we look at is the very, very, very last one in the ones column. So this right here, a 0. Is a 0 an odd number or an even number? Ooh, sorry, I'm moving my paper. It is an even number. All right, sort it out. Write the problem under the number that it equals. So if it equals 8, it's going to go in this column. If it equals 10, it's going to go in this column. 2 times 5. 2 times 5 equals what? 2 times 5 equals 10. 2 groups of 5. 5 and 5 makes 10. So we're going to put 2 times 5. Now we have 4 times 2. If we have the number 4 times 2, we have 4 groups of 2. 4 twos. 4 plus 4, nope. 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 is 4 groups of 2. It equals 8. Now we have 8 times 1. If we just have one group of 8, it's just 8. How about 10 times 1? If we have 10 times 1, 10 groups of 1. 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1, 10 times equals 10, right? Any number times 1 is just itself. 2 times 4 is equal to 8. It's the opposite of 4 times 2. And 5 times 2 is equal to 10. It's the opposite of 2 times 5. All right. What time is it? Draw the hands to show 2 hours later. So the hour hand, it's after the what? 2. And then we count by 5s. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. 2:40. Now we need to show 2 hours later. So we know that if it was at the 2, we need to go 2 hours later, 3, 4. So we need to go 4. So our shorthand's going to go between the 4 and 5. And our longhand's going to stay the same. It didn't tell us to do anything with our minutes. So if we did that, it's going to be 4 and back around to the 8. 4:40. Woo. Sorry. All right, color an array to represent the problem below. So we're going to color in this array. 9 by 4. Now, Mrs. Johnson likes to do the first number up and down and the second number across. So we're going to go 9, up and down 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. All the way to the top. And we're going to go across 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we're going to this one. Then you can just color all of those in. Or you could have counted them separately. I think this way is easier. Okay, 9 times 4. All right, place value. How many hundreds do we have? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 500. So we're going to write 500 plus how many tens do we have? 3, which makes 30 plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 plus 8. So we have 538. Write the number in words. We have to actually write the words out. So we write 538. Remember, we don't have to write the word and between there. Color the problems that equal 12. So 5 times 5, 5 groups of 5. Nope, that's going to be more than 12. 12 plus 1. Nope, that's more than 12. How about 10 plus 1? 10 times 1. 10 times 1. Nope, that's not 12. How about 2 groups of 6? So 6 and 6, 2 groups of 6. Yes, 2 groups of 6 is going to equal 12. So we're going to color him in. How about 6 plus 6? You bet. 6 plus another 6 equals 12. So we're going to color him in. All right, you little darlings. Have a fantastic day. If you have any questions, don't forget to email me.